In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we continue to highlight young people who believe that regardless of the situation, anything is possible. Here's TVJ's Kayan Williams.
A ray of hope.
Omar Richardson had big dreams no obstacle could stop. But with no money or a job to make them a reality, Omar went looking for options.
I was desperate for a job, and then a friend of mine informed me about a sweeping job.
It wasn't much, but for Omar, taking small steps to start his tertiary education was important.
I was doing this, but my end goal is becoming a marketing manager, and that was part of the whole matrix in leading to that dream.
But doing cleaning jobs was something he was familiar with from he was 14 years old. Omar said life was hard growing up after his father died.
I had problem paying school tuition and so forth. So I went to the guidance counselor and I sat down and I spoke with her, and she proposed that I help to clean up the school grounds in the evening and also help to paint the school in the summer. I used to get a stipend for painting the school, but in regards to sweeping up the school grounds, I was awarded free lunch each day and bus fare to come back and forth.
He said that impacted his performance in school.
When you think about passing the exam, it was not just about that. It was about going to high school for 4 years and completing it. And, you know, if you don't have the instrument and the material, it is it makes it challenging. So I have to overcome all of that.
However, he's glad he never gave up.
I am now 37, and some people might think that is an old age to be going back to school. But I want my first degree in marketing. I want my master's in public administration, and I also want a second first degree in communications and media.
Unlike the other university students we featured who didn't take loans, Omar said he did at first, but now in his final year, he's doing things differently. He opted to use his savings from his cleaning job along with the scholarships he received.
My philosophy is that preparation, perseverance, and education is the key to success. And anything is possible once you put in the work and you have the ambition and drive.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.
A ray of hope.